Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the Jaysuing Ginger Nail Treatment. It claims to fix brittle, damaged nails using natural ingredients like ginger and turmeric extracts. The product promises to strengthen weak nails, promote growth, and restore shine, especially for people who've had too many manicures or deal with chipping and peeling. They say you just apply it daily, preferably before bed, and massage it in so the nutrients can absorb. It's marketed as a 7 days nail treatment, which sounds pretty fast, and the all-natural formula makes it seem like a gentle option. But here's the thing. This product is sold across many different websites. Some are trustworthy, like Amazon, while others feel a little sketchy. That's a red flag, because when a brand appears on shady platforms, it's hard to know if you're buying the real thing. Now let's talk reviews. On Amazon, they're super mixed. Some users reported slight improvement after weeks, but many others said it did absolutely nothing. Comments like "no serve," "es pura agua," and "just a scam" show up a lot. One reviewer said they used it for a month and ended up with more fungus than before. Another said it looked and felt like plain water. That's pretty disappointing for something that claims fast results. Amazon even includes a long disclaimer saying the actual product might differ from the description and that customers should consult a doctor before using it. That's not unusual, but it's another reminder to be cautious. So, is Jaysuing legit? Honestly, with all these red flags, mixed reviews, questionable websites, and vague results, it might be safer to skip this one. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you've tried it.